So hello guys, my name is Shresh Varzane. How are you? I hope you are fine. So friends, this is the part 2 of video of Vedic maths, and I told you that in first part I will teach you in next session the tens place number same, unit place number addition 10. Okay, unit place addition is 10. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn this trick. Okay, this trick we are going to learn. Okay guys, so I will teach you this. This trick is useful for if a tens place number is same, and if we add the unit place both upper and below. Okay, so it addition must be 10. Okay, it addition must be 10. So here you can see the first sum, 24 multiplied by 26. Okay, so you can see 2 and 2 is same number, and 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, then then means we can solve this trick by solve this sum by this trick. Okay guys, so first step you have to follow. First multiply by units. Okay, 6 4s are 24. So don't carry here 2. Okay, don't carry, directly write here 6 4s are 24. Okay, we will write here, and in tens place you have to do that. What is the next number of upper number? Means upper number is 2. So friends, so what is the next number of 2? So friends, you know that the next number of 2 is 3. Okay, so we will multiply by this number. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 2. What is the friends? 3 multiplied by 2? 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. So we will write the 6 and it's your answer. Yeah friends, this is a very easy trick and very useful trick for competitive exam, because in competitive exam the most of sums belong from this trick. Okay, so you have to follow it. So friends, and I took one example here. So 31 multiplied by 39, you can see 1 plus 9 10. Okay, 3 is the same number. So friends, 9 multiplied by 1, so 9 ones are 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9. So I will not write directly 9, because we have to here 2 digit, we must have. So friends, I took here 09. Okay, 09, and in tens place both number is same. So friends, what is the next number of 3? 4. So friends, 4 multiplied by 3? 12. So friends, we write and our answer is come, friends. So turn off the next question. Friends, you can see here 4 plus 6 10, 5 plus 5 5 is number is same or not? Yes, same. So 6 4s are 24. Okay guys, we will directly write here 24. So 5, next number of 5 is 6. Okay, the 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Right, we write here 30. So friends, if you like this trick, then please just go the video session and just like this video. Okay, and subscribe also this video, and share to your friends. So friends, we will forward to next question. This is 2 plus 8 friends 16. Okay, sorry, 10, and 10 plus number is same. Okay guys, so 2 8s are 16, we write here 16. Okay, 9 9s are 81, we wrote here 81. Okay, means this is your answer. So easy friends, so easy. Okay, so next question, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, 7 next number 7 7 is okay, same digit. So friends, 3 7s are or 7 3s are 21. Okay guys, so we write here 21. So friends, here 7 and here is also 7. So friends, we have to take the next number of 7. So friends, we took here the next number of 7 is 8, we know. So friends, 8 multiplied by 7 is 8 7s are 56. Sorry friends. Okay, 56. Okay, so come on next session. So friends, you will say that you are teaching only the tens place number same. If what happen if the 100th and tens place both number are same and unit digit addition is 10. Okay guys, so I will teach you this trick in next session. Okay, next session. Which trick? 100th, 10th plus number same. unit plus addition 10. Okay guys, we will teach it in next session. So guys, till next session I will suggest you to like this video and subscribe also, because we will expand the second video, part this is a part 2. We will expand third part of this video, so you will get notification first. Okay guys, so I will request you also that you just share this video, because lots of students must watch this video, because it is very very useful guys. So we will meet in next session. Till that time, goodbye. Thank you.